Looking to sell your flat? With the Resale Flat Listing service, the HDB Flat Portal is your one-stop platform to list your flat for sale and connect with potential flat buyers. Start your journey by logging in to the HDB Flat Portal with your SingPass. You will first need to register an intent to sell if you have not already done so. Click on My Flat Dashboard in the header. Select the role that applies to you and click Proceed. Follow the steps to register an intent to sell. After you have registered an intent to sell, you can now list your flat for sale on the HDB Flat Portal via the Resale Flat Listing service. Click Proceed to be directed to the Seller Overview page where you can create a listing for your flat. You can also access the Seller Overview page by clicking on My Profile in the header, then Seller Overview. Check that the displayed flat address is correct and click on the Create Listing button. To help you create your flat listing easily, information such as your address, flat type, floor area, and remaining lease are automatically filled in. Next, indicate who will be managing your listing. Choose Salesperson if you have engaged one to help manage your sale. Enter your salesperson's CEA registration number. Then click Submit. Your salesperson will accept your appointment and create the listing on your behalf. If you want to manage the listing yourself, choose Myself. Then, upload high-quality photos of your flat to showcase it to potential flat buyers. You may upload up to 10 photos. Ensure that your photos meet all the requirements. After uploading your photos, choose one as the thumbnail for your listing. The HDB Flat Portal will also automatically include the original floor plan of your flat to show the original layout and dimensions of the flat. You can also enter the contact details to be displayed on your listing. This will only be shown to flat buyers with a valid HDB flat eligibility letter or their appointed salespersons. You may choose to display only your email address or both your email address and phone number. Then, enter your listing price. You may refer to the recent transacted prices of resale flats nearby to help decide your listing price. Do also make use of HDB's Sale Proceeds Calculator to estimate the proceeds you could receive after selling your flat. Under Unit Details, you will see that the number of bedrooms and bathrooms has been auto-filled based on your flat type. Please check and update the information where needed. Next, write a description for your flat to attract potential flat buyers. You can highlight the standout features of your flat and its surroundings. Lastly, if you would like your flat buyers to give you more time to move out of your flat after resale completion, indicate your need for a temporary extension of stay. If you intend to sell your HDB flat and buy another resale HDB flat concurrently, indicate your need for the Enhanced Contra facility. This way, potential flat buyers will know that they cannot buy your flat by using the Enhanced Contra facility. You may mouse over the tooltips to find out more about temporary extension of stay and Enhanced Contra facility. Now, you are all good to go. Click Preview to see how your listing will appear to potential flat buyers. When you are ready, click Submit to publish your listing. Your flat will now be listed under Find a Flat. After you have published your listing, revisit the Seller Overview page to share the link to your listing on social media. If you wish to edit any parts of the listing, simply return to the Seller Overview page and click Edit Listing. You can also use the calendar on the Seller Overview page to create and manage viewing appointments with potential flat buyers. You can schedule viewing appointment slots starting from the next day for up to 2 months. To do so, click on the date you wish to create an appointment slot on, then click Add Time Slot. Indicate your preferred timing and click Add Time Slot again. The appointment slot will be created and potential flat buyers may request a viewing appointment with you. Now you're all set for potential flat buyers to find and view your flat for sale. For more information, please view the FAQs and user guides on the HDB Flat Portal. We wish you all the best in your flat selling journey.